Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. Today we're diving into an exciting and impactful topic: how to start a medical supply business in 2025. With the healthcare industry growing faster than ever, there's never been a better time to get into this lucrative field. Whether you're looking to help your community or build a profitable business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and planning. Before you jump in, it's important to understand the medical supply industry. Ask yourself, what types of products will you sell? Think gloves, masks, syringes, or even specialized equipment. Who's your target market? Hospitals, clinics, nursing homes, or even individual consumers? What's your competition like in your area? Take some time to research trends, regulations, and gaps in the market. A solid plan will set you up for success. Step 2. Legal requirements. Starting a medical supply business comes with specific legal steps. Here's what you need to do. Choose a business structure. Decide if you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. An LLC is great for liability protection. Register your business file with your state's Secretary of State and get your business name registered. Get an EIN, apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. It's free and essential for taxes. Obtain necessary licenses. Medical supply businesses often require specific licenses, like a wholesale distributor license. Check with your state's health department for details. Don't worry, it sounds like a lot, but it's manageable with the right guidance. Step 3. Source your products. Finding reliable suppliers is key to your success. Here's how to get started. Research manufacturers and wholesalers who specialize in medical supplies. Look for suppliers with certifications like ISO or FDA approval to ensure quality. Consider starting with a few high-demand products and expanding your inventory as you grow. Pro tip: build strong relationships with your suppliers. It can lead to better pricing and faster delivery. Step 4. Set your pricing. Pricing is critical in the medical supply industry. Here's how to do it right. Research what competitors are charging for similar products. Factor in your costs like shipping, storage, and overhead. Offer competitive pricing while maintaining a healthy profit margin. Consider offering bulk discounts or subscription services to attract larger clients like hospitals or clinics. Step 5. Market your business. Now that you're ready to go, it's time to find clients. Here are some proven strategies. Create a professional website. Showcase your products, pricing, and contact info. Leverage social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with healthcare professionals. Network locally. Attend healthcare conferences or join industry associations. Offer promotions. Discounts for first-time clients can help you build a loyal customer base. Remember, consistency is key. Keep putting yourself out there. And that's it. Starting a medical supply business in 2025 is totally doable with the right plan and mindset. To recap, research and plan your business. Handle the legal requirements. Source high-quality products. Set competitive pricing. Market like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips on building your dream business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.